Alright guys, so I have this is just a cheapo 21-inch bow saw from Harbor Freight. I probably got it for free with the coupon, maybe $6 or $8. And to make a sheath for it, I just took a piece of water hose, cut it to length, and then slid it down one side all the way. And then I just fit that over the blade. And of course this is extremely difficult on camera. Like that. And then to hold it on while I'm packing around, I just have some short lengths of baling wire that I just wrap around like that. And I actually have 3, but you probably don't need that many. 2 will probably work. And you just put that on each end like that. Make sure those pointy ends are down. There you go.